Did you know these mind-blowing facts? Get ready to be amazed. First up, bananas are actually considered berries, while strawberries surprisingly are not. This quirky classification stems from the botanical definitions that define what a berry truly is. Next, honey is an incredible food that never goes bad. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. Ever noticed how music makes you feel? Your heart can actually sync with the rhythm of the tunes you listen to, which can create calming or energizing effects. Additionally, the Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer due to thermal expansion increasing by about 6 inches. Lastly, octopuses are fascinating creatures with 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump to the gills while one circulates the rest of the body. Which one shocked you the most? Follow for more.